Hello fellow creators, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're doing well. So as you can see from the title of the video is a fun video. I'm going to be showing you the different ways that you can style this wrap top. So this wrap top is really versatile because of the straps, so you can just twist it and turn it. So I'm going to be showing you how to style it in different ways. So if you want to know that, then just keep on watching. And also I have a tutorial on how to sew the top, so I'm going to link it up there so you can just go check that out if you want to learn how to sew it. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get straight into the video. guys, so that is it. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope it was fun for you to watch. So yeah, just comment down below if you're going to, you know, sew this dress and if you're going to recreate any of the styles that you see here. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you like this video, make sure that you subscribe if you have not already, and also make sure that you comment down below. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye.